Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that everyone loves, making money while you sleep. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about passive income. Now, I know what you're thinking. Passive income, that's just a myth, right? Wrong. While it's not about getting rich quick, passive income is a very real way to build long-term wealth and achieve financial freedom. It's about putting in the work up front so you can reap the rewards for years to come. In this video, I'm going to share 5 passive income ideas that actually work. We're going to break down each strategy step by step so you can start building your own passive income streams today. So whether you're looking to quit your 9-to-5, achieve financial independence, or simply earn some extra cash, this video is for you. Let's get started. So, what exactly is passive income? In a nutshell, passive income is money you earn that doesn't require you to actively trade your time for it. It's about creating systems that generate income, even while you're sleeping, traveling, or just enjoying your life. Think of it like this. Imagine you're a doctor. You trade your time for money, right? You see patients, perform surgeries, and get paid for each hour you work. That's active income. Now, imagine you write a book about your medical expertise. You spend months, maybe even years, writing and perfecting that book. But once it's published, people can buy it whether you're working or not. That's passive income. The beauty of passive income is that it allows you to leverage your time and effort. You put in the work once, and it continues to generate income for months, years, or even decades to come. This doesn't mean passive income is about getting something for nothing. It still requires effort, dedication, and often an upfront investment. But the rewards can be life-changing. With passive income, you can achieve financial freedom, escape the rat race, and design your ideal life. You can spend more time with loved ones, pursue your passions, or simply enjoy the peace of mind that comes with financial security. So, if you're ready to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and start building a life of freedom and abundance, then keep watching because we're about to dive into 5 powerful passive income ideas that can help you get there. Real estate has long been considered one of the most reliable paths to building wealth, and for good reason. Investing in real estate can provide you with a steady stream of passive income through rental payments. Now, I know what you're thinking. Real estate? That's expensive. And yes, it can be, but it doesn't have to be. There are multiple ways to get started in real estate investing, even with a limited budget. One option is to start small with a rental property. This could be a duplex, a small apartment building, or even just renting out a spare room in your current home. Another option is to invest in real estate investment trusts, or REITs. REITs are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate, such as shopping malls, office buildings, and apartments. You can invest in REITs through the stock market, making it an accessible option for many investors. Location, location, location. You've heard it a million times, but it's true. The location of your rental property is crucial to your success. Look for properties in desirable areas with strong rental demand. Property management is key. Managing a rental property can be time-consuming, but it's essential for maximizing your returns. You'll need to handle tenant screening, rent collection, maintenance, and repairs. If you're not up for the task, consider hiring a property manager to handle these responsibilities for you. Real estate investing isn't without its risks, just like any investment. However, by doing your research, choosing your investments wisely, and managing your properties effectively, you can create a substantial stream of passive income through real estate. Chapter 3. Dividend Stocks. Dividend stocks are like the gift that keeps on giving. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you're essentially buying a piece of a company that pays you a portion of its profits on a regular basis, typically quarterly. Think of it like this. You buy a share of your favorite coffee shop. Every quarter, that coffee shop makes a profit, and they decide to share some of that profit with their shareholders. That's you. So you receive a dividend payment just for being a shareholder. The beauty of dividend stocks is that you're earning passive income while also participating in the potential growth of the company. If the company does well, the value of your shares could increase, and you might even see your dividend payments grow over time. But remember, not all dividend stocks are created equal. It's essential to do your research and choose companies with a solid track record of profitability and dividend payments. Look for companies with a history of increasing their dividends over time, which indicates financial strength and a commitment to rewarding shareholders. Diversification is key when it comes to investing, and dividend stocks are no exception. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across various sectors and industries to minimize risk. Investing in dividend stocks is a long-term game. Don't expect to get rich quick. The key is to reinvest your dividends, allowing your investments to compound over time. This snowball effect can lead to significant wealth accumulation over the long run. Dividend stocks offer a fantastic way to generate passive income and build wealth over time. By investing in companies with a proven track record of profitability and dividend payments, you can create a stream of passive income that grows year after year. Chapter 4. Create a YouTube channel. You're watching this video right now, so you already know the power of YouTube. But did you know that you can create your own YouTube channel and generate passive income from it? It's true. YouTube has become a global phenomenon, with billions of hours of video content consumed every day. And the best part? Anyone can start a YouTube channel and share their passions, knowledge, or creativity with the world. But how do you actually make money from YouTube? There are a few different ways. First, you can earn money through advertising revenue. As your channel grows and you start getting more views, you can apply for YouTube's partner program. Once you're accepted, YouTube will display ads on your videos, and you'll earn a share of the revenue generated from those ads. Second, you can make money through sponsorships. As your channel gains popularity, brands may approach you to sponsor your videos or feature their products or services. These sponsored segments can be a lucrative source of income. Third, you can generate income through affiliate marketing. This involves partnering with brands and promoting their products or services on your channel. You'll typically receive a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. The key to success on YouTube is to create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your viewers. Find your niche, be passionate about what you're creating, and be consistent with your uploads. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but the rewards can be significant. Not only can you earn passive income, but you can also build a community, establish yourself as an expert in your field, and potentially even turn your YouTube channel into a full-time career. Chapter 5. Write an ebook. Have you ever dreamed of becoming a published author? You don't need a traditional publishing deal to share your knowledge with the world. You can write and publish your own ebook and start earning passive income today. Ebooks have exploded in popularity thanks to e-readers and digital content. The barriers to entry for self-publishing an ebook are lower than ever. Choose a niche topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This could be anything from personal finance to cooking to travel. The key is to choose a topic that you're genuinely interested in. Once you have your topic, start writing. Don't worry about perfection. Just get your ideas down. You can always edit and refine your work later. After writing, format your ebook for digital distribution. There are plenty of online tools to help with this step. You can also hire a freelance editor or book designer. Now it's time to publish your masterpiece. Platforms like Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, make it easy. Upload your ebook, set your price, and start selling. Marketing is crucial. Use social media, email marketing, and paid ads. Offer your ebook for free for a limited time to attract readers. Writing and publishing an ebook can be rewarding, both personally and financially. Share your knowledge, establish yourself as an expert, and earn passive income for years to come. And there you have it, folks. 5 passive income ideas that actually work. Remember, the key to success is to start now and stay consistent. Building passive income streams takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that money is flowing into your bank account, even while you're sleeping. That's the power of passive income. It allows you to achieve financial freedom, design your ideal life, and spend more time doing the things you love. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on financial freedom. See you in the next video.